How to change Snapchat username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing Snapchat username. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account as well. Now once you're over there, simply go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then you need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to settings. Now from the settings page, go ahead and tap on username, that is between name and birthday option. Tap on your username first and you'll get a warning that you can only change your username once a year. So your username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. So go ahead and tap on continue if you want to do it. Simply delete the previous username and type in the new username that you want to set. Then go ahead and tap on next, that is highlighted in blue color. Now you need to enter your password to confirm your username change. And once you have typed in the correct form of password, go ahead and tap on confirm, which is also highlighted in blue color. And this will ask if you're sure to change your username. Go ahead and tap on continue to confirm. And you'll see the indication that your username has been updated successfully. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and change your username on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.